Damn fly. Good boy. Thank you. Oh, darn, Jessie. Oh, he's a happy boy. Oh, he's quite the boy. Isn't he? He's quite the boy. Oh, what's going on there? What am I missing here? Bad storm. Don't you think you're so smart? Poor kitty. Poor kitty? What's wrong with the kitty? This is like a whole new birthday for you, isn't it? Not only is he getting better, but we just realized yesterday, because we were listening to the radio, and they were saying that it was 30 years ago since Secretariat won the Triple Crown. And that made me realize that the farm that I was at then was the farm that I had when I got Jessie. And I went to see Secretariat that summer, and I stood in the rain for like 4 hours just to get a glimpse of them outside of the stable. And they didn't bring them out for quite a while because of the rain, because everybody wanted to take pictures, of course. And so that means that Jessie is 40 years old. Damn fly. Good boy. Oh, Jessie, you're too funny. You really are coming back, aren't you? Happy birthday, my boy. Happy birthday. Well, his birthday is actually in April, but seeing as all this is happening, we're going to have a brand new birthday. 40 years ago, you came to me. What a wonderful life it has been. Right, Jessie? Uh-oh. Damn fly. Oh, darn, Jessie. Oh, he's a happy boy. Oh, he's quite the boy. Isn't he? He's quite the boy. Damn fly. Good boy. Thank you. So that means that Jessie is 40 years old.